Good morning, everybody, and welcome to What's Hot Out in the Open. We're going to take a look at the markets here at MarketStream.live. My name is Joseph Cusick from the Cusick Group, securities offered by MoneyBlock. We've had a market that's basically been waffling between in the green and in the red. Currently, right now, we have the Dow Jones futures right now down 7 at 19,737. We have the Russell 2000 just dipping into the red, down 30 cents at $1,352.30. We have the NASDAQ up $5,041.50. That's up $1.75, just down, jumping into the green. We also have the S&P 500 just down slightly, down a quarter at 2262.50. So we have a market that's basically been mixed at best. And they've been really not able to monetize the overnight performance from Asia. A little bit more muted reaction in Europe right now, but we'll see if that changes. Right now we see on the retail side, I want to focus on some names. Target shares are down about 5% after they issued downside guidance due to what they called softer holiday sales. We've seen this tone being set for the last 3 weeks. With that being said, you saw peers like JCPenney's down 3%, Kohl's, KSS down 2.4%, and Walmart down 1.8%. They're all trading lower. Basically, you have downgrades from Credit Suisse on JCPenney and Kohl's to underperform from neutral. That's weighing on the stocks and the sectors. Watch XRT as well as XLY. We want to see if this starts to impact the consumers. Take a look at financials. Goldman Sachs. We've been talking about this since last night. Go back and check out TikTok. GS is ticking lower after reporting Q4 results. Earnings and revenues surpassed expectations, but basically it's following suit with what has been happening with its other peers, which is sell the news response to the report. We've seen that universally, some profit taking coming across with the group. We also saw that Citigroup, they beat by 2 cents, but missed on revenues. They're down about 0.5% right now. And Northern Trust trading at $84. They reported earnings per share and revenue misses. The stock is down about 4% at $84.04. We did see some former momentum names. Gigamon, G-I-M-O, lower by about 23%, basically guided lower on their Q4 results. Basically said that they have lower than expected product bookings. And, you know, there's going to be some delays in customer purchases. So we're also seeing PLC, Pearson, lower by about 30%. Right now, it's based on 2017 guidance. They lowered it. Finally, I want to take a look at the crude markets. And the crude oil markets continue to extend their losses. They have come off their worst levels. If you look at the active month right now in the futures, the March contract is trading right around $52.28. That's down about 96 cents or about 1.8% on the red side. The catalyst right now is that the OPEC monthly oil report came out, showed a year-over-year increase in world oil supplies. And this is coming out in front of the API data that's going to be out tonight, as well as the EIA data as far as supply here in the United States. We're going to keep an eye on that. Watch the American Petroleum Institute tonight, and then we'll watch the EIA data from the Department of Energy come out tomorrow. Speaking about tonight, we're going to have some interesting earnings results that are going to be coming out after the close. Most notable, Netflix, Kinder Morgan, and Canadian Pacific. And I want to watch Canadian Pacific, CP, because CSX came out and their shares were down despite the fact that they're guiding Q1 and fiscal 17 earnings per share in line. CSX is trading down 2.64% at $37. Let's watch that closely and see if that actually starts to move in and you see other stocks in the sector get under pressure like CP, which we'll be announcing after the close. We're going to talk about those names in Tech Talk this afternoon to give you a little more transparency. All right, folks, that's it for what's hot on the open right now here at MarketStream.live. Check out all our archives, and we'll see you at 1:30 Eastern Time for Strategy Now. Take care.